How to look cute at school without makeup. Take care of your skin. Wash your face regularly, use a gentle cleanser, and moisturize your skin to keep it healthy and glowing. This will help you achieve a natural, radiant complexion. Wear what makes you feel confident. Choose clothes that fit well, are comfortable, and reflect your personal style. A good outfit can boost your confidence and make you feel more attractive. Style your hair. Wash and style your hair in a way that makes you feel good about yourself. Whether it's a simple ponytail or a messy bun, a well-groomed hairstyle can make a big difference. Show off your smile. A bright, genuine smile can make you look instantly more attractive. Practice good oral hygiene, and consider whitening your teeth if needed. Highlight your features naturally. Accentuate your natural features without relying on makeup. For example, curl your eyelashes to make them stand out, or use a brow gel to define your brows. Wear accessories. Add a pop of color with scarves, hats, or jewelry that complement your outfit and personal style. Posture matters. Stand up straight and walk with confidence to showcase your best self. Natural highlights. If you have curly hair, let it shine. Curly hair can add volume and texture to your look. Be yourself. Confidence is the most attractive quality of all. Believe in yourself, and others will too. Additional tips. Use a light hold hairspray to keep flyaways under control without adding volume. Use a lip balm with SPF to keep your lips moisturized and protected. Avoid heavy or oily products that can weigh down your hair or skin. Practice good hygiene by washing your hands regularly and using deodorant or antiperspirant. Remember, looking cute in school is not just about physical appearance, it's also about confidence, positivity, and being true to yourself.